Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, all updated. Roof was in 23, HVAC and hot water tank brand new in 2025 here. We're in the legacy or historical part of the Villages here. I can't wait to show you. Come on in. As we walk up the concrete driveway. Carport here right in front, really convenient, get your car underneath. We'll go in that door later on. When we go in the backyard, let's go into the main house. As we walk up 2 stairs into the main house, we enter the kitchen directly. Again, this house has all been updated. Knocked down ceilings here in this manufactured home. Granite countertops, it looks like. Stainless steel appliances. Let me give you a wider look. Yeah, there you go. Recessed lighting. Looks like high intensity recessed lighting, which I like. Looks like all throughout the house. Engineered flooring. And that's all throughout the house as well. This flows right into a living room area. Let me give you a full view of that. This goes right off into really what I'll call a 3-season porch. No heat. Concrete on the floor, looks like painted. Door entry if you want to use it to the street. It could be nice and quiet. Let's head towards the bedrooms. Before I do that, I want to give a little bit of look of where the eating is in the kitchen. Again, really spacious. Free position, convenient to the kitchen as you cook. Absolutely. All right, let's head to the bedrooms now. Just to the left down the hallway, we're gonna enter the primary. That's nicely done. Again, all the same floors, all the same ceiling, all been done. Looks like it's been repainted. Has a nice thermostat. Here's the main bath. This is really important. This has all been redone for sure. Someone did a real nice job in doing this. Under counter sink, new vanities, new shower, new tile, new fixtures. Yeah, it's all ready to go. Let's go into the spare. As we enter into the spare bedroom, again, a little bit of smaller room. Definitely has a Murph bed there, which is nice. Those are really nice. All same floor, same ceiling, ceiling fan for ventilation. Super nice. Okay, we're gonna head back out of the house. Here on the carport, we're gonna head right into, I call it a golf cart garage, because when you see it, it'll make sense. Washer and dryer stackable. They look brand new. Epoxy floors, someone did the floors here. Someone put an outlet there, right, for a garage door opener if you want it. There isn't one here now. Again, hot water tank, brand new. You can just see the shininess of all the fittings. It's electric for sure. And this goes out the back of the house for your golf cart. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, I'm on the side of what I call the golf cart garage. Oh, there's a cardinal, cool. Backyard. You absolutely get a backyard here, right? You get the bamboo. There's a nice natural fence. Here's the ramp for the golf cart. So that's good. Right into the garage door. You have your new HVAC system. Again, you can see the brand newness of it. And I'll show you just where we came from. Really easy to get to. There's your water shutoff down here on the outside by your spigot. So really nice there and convenient. Let me give you a perspective of the front yard again. Let's take a look on the side. Yep. So here's the side yard. It's all here, all put together. 1987 home here, manufactured home. E Schwartz Drive here in the Villages, Florida. Someone really put some time and attention here. Let's wrap it up. All right, let's summarize this house. Built 1987, 2023 on the roof. HVAC and water tank that I showed you, brand new in 2025. So none of the major systems need to be even dealt with for at least a decade for this home. Asking price for this home is $199,000. Great value. Someone absolutely went through this. Granite countertops, stainless steel. I think the bathroom really serves it well. They redid that. That really looks nice, and it coordinates with the rest of the house for sure. I said these were engineered flooring. I did go back down as I was questioning it. I wanted to touch it to see what it is. That would be a big trade-off. Luxury vinyl flooring here. So on the basement here. I don't know whether this is turnkey or not. I would absolutely think it may be an opportunity for turnkey. But that's something we'll definitely have to get to you. You can just reach out to us. Again, if you're interested in this home or any other home, please give me a call. Our number is 352-492-1699. My name is Jim. My wife's name is Tammy. We are your 352 Realtor. Can't wait to show you the next one.